Laughing Bird Caye is only a 55-minute boat ride away from Placencia. Pretty close if you ask me.
We're here with Mary at Laughing Bird Caye. So, you do this every day?
Almost every day.
Wow.
Once they have over 15 people, I'm on the job.
Alright, so please tell me what you're going to make today.
Well, I have rice and beans, barbecue chicken, scallop potato salad, and coleslaw.
Son of a gun. And, where for wash done?
Fruit punch. We got some fruit punch, we got watermelon.
You know got rum?
No rum.
You got your personal rum?
I wish.
You said I wanted to touch it, I want to touch it, I could take it.
Yes, sir, you can.
Thank you, darling. Ay, hot. How you know what time it hot?
Well, it's on the grill.
Oh, so this is a mistake. Here, darling.
Thank you.
Boy.
You guys ready to eat?
Yeah,
Well,
more
like
than ready.
Well, don't say it. I got you. Make we go eat up some
Mek,
stuff.
we go eat. Mek,
Please, Mek, we go.
we go eat. Everything is nice.
I'm so excited to be on Laughing Bird Caye because this island is a national park and a World Heritage Site. Another interesting fact, our guide explained to us that Laughing Bird Caye got its name after the laughing gull, which breeds right here on the island. As we wind down a bit from our drumming and punta session, let's start to relax and enjoy the beach life our Belize has to offer.
Now you all know it's been raining for quite a bit, but the weather cleared up just enough to allow us to jump in the water and explore the marine wonders of Laughing Bird Caye.
So Belize,
Mek we go snorkel.
So, if you're still asking, what is so special about this island? Well, let me try to describe to you its beauty in the same manner our seasoned guide did, as he briefed us just before our snorkeling adventure. Laughing Bird Caye is surrounded by shallow waters due to the island's distinct elongated shape that forms a pharaoh. What the pharaoh? No, not the Egyptian king. A pharaoh is an angular atoll that is situated on a reef. The pharaoh is elevated and encloses a central lagoon. Laughing Bird Caye is also a part of the Belizean Barrier Reef. The area is covered with a variety of coral reef habitats that sparkle and give life to other marine species. As our guide reminded us, in order to protect our beautiful marine life, we are not allowed to touch.
Look pan the eagle ready to take a nice lean nap. Must me it could do it like we. Look pan fish. You know what I happy about it? Laughing Bird Caye is a protected area. If not, I got a frying pan just the same size. Only in Belize, I tell you. You know where wicked? The fact that this snorkeling paradise is right here at home, right in our own backyard. Man, and just look at what all we saw in just a few minutes. That's simply amazing. If you think you only get a little glimpse of the marine life at Laughing Bird Caye, think again. Generally, they do 2 snorkeling trips, but due to the weather, we had just enough time to jump in for a second time. And of course, we had to fit some beach bumming time. Yes, I said beach bumming because we don't do beach drumming. Just before we head back from this great adventure.
I just love Belize. I can't help but just relax and think about nothing but taking in the Caribbean Sea.
So after spending a beautiful day at Laughing Bird Caye, snorkeling and drumming, we'd like to recommend this spot for all Belizeans as a beach break getaway. Stay tuned for more.
Or you can drop us a line down below and tell us where you want us to go next.
Belize
Mek we go.
Mek we go meet the woman behind the marine expeditions. And remember to comment on the show during the Facebook Live to enter to win this trip to Laughing Bird Caye.